Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make private group chat in Messenger. Here are two easy methods to create a private group chat in Messenger. First method, using the Messenger app. Launch the Messenger app on your device. Tap the pencil icon in the top right, then hit Group Chat. Add participants. Choose the people you want to include in the group. Name the group. Assign a name to a group. Create the group. Tap Create or the check mark to finalize the group. Last method, from an existing chat. Open an existing chat. Go to an individual chat with someone you want in the group. Tap Add People. Click on the information icon or the eye and tap Create Group Chat With. Add more members. Choose additional contacts to include in the group. Confirm and customize. Confirm the group and customize the name or settings if needed. Now, you have your private group chat ready in Messenger. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.